How can I transfer money into my Robinhood Brokerage Account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a key topic for any Robinhood user: how to transfer money into your Robinhood Brokerage Account. We'll be going step by step, so whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this guide is for you.
What is Robinhood?
Robinhood is a commission-free investment and trading app that allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrency. It has become popular due to its simplicity and user-friendly interface, especially among first-time investors. To begin trading, however, you need to deposit money into your Robinhood account, and that's what we'll be covering today.
How to link your bank account?
Before transferring money, you need to link your bank account with your Robinhood account. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Robinhood app on your device. 2. Tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. 3. Tap on Transfers. 4. Tap on Linked Accounts. 5. Tap on Add New Account. 6. Search for your bank or use the manual option to add your bank account information. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account. Remember, it's essential to ensure your bank account details are correct to prevent any issues during the transfer process.
How to transfer money to your Robinhood account?
Now that your bank account is linked, you're ready to transfer money into your Robinhood Brokerage Account. Here are the steps. 1. Open the Robinhood app on your device. 2. Tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. 3. Tap on Transfers. 4. Tap on Transfer to Robinhood. 5. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. 6. Tap on Submit. Please note, Robinhood uses Automated Clearinghouse (ACH) transfers for these transactions, and it may take a few business days for the transfer to complete. So don't worry if the funds aren't available immediately. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer money into your Robinhood account. Now you're ready to start investing and making the most out of your financial journey. As always, be mindful of the risks involved with investing and only invest what you're willing to lose. Until next time, happy investing!